Okay students, next we are entering inside the exercise 2.2 first sum. Solve. What we have solved? I need to find the value of x. I need to find the value of x. What is given here? Modulus of 3 minus 6 is less than 7. Modulus of 3 minus 6 is less than 7. What I am going to do? Just I am going to teach you for what I am going to use it the solution. See. So modulus of 3 minus x is less than 7. I have told always this value should be greater or equal to 0. Modulus value is always greater or equal to 0. What is the value here? 7. The value is nothing but 7. This value 7 should be always greater. Yes, the value of 7 is always greater. You should know this one. 7. This value 7 is greater or equal to 0. Yes, greater or equal to 0. This value 7 is greater or equal to 0. So 3 minus x. For what value I need to substitute in x to becoming this modulus function will be less than 7. I will take one second, listen carefully. For what values I need to substitute x? What are the values I need to substitute in x so that this modulus function will be less than 7? This modulus function will be less than 7. Suppose I am going to apply x is equal to 4. If I am going to apply x is equal to 4, modulus of 3 in place of x, 4 less than 7. 3 minus 4 is minus 1 less than 7. Modulus of minus 1 I can write as plus 1 because this modulus minus 1 will change as plus. Plus 1 is less than 7. Yes, 1 is less than 7. Yes, satisfies. So I can put value 4. Suppose if I am going to put in place of x, I am going to apply 15. In place of x, I am going to apply 15. Apply 15. Modulus of 3 minus in place of x apply 15 is less than 7. So 3 minus 15 is minus 12 is less than 7. Minus 12, modulus of minus 12, this minus will makes into plus. So modulus of minus 12 will be 12. 12 is less than 7. Whether this one is possible, this is correct one. No, this is not a correct one. 12 is greater than 7. But your what is the answer? 12 is less than 7. So sometimes it is possible for x values. Sometimes it is not possible for x values. So I need to find what are the possibilities. What are the possibilities for x to become this modulus function is less than 7. I need to find what are the possibilities. What are the possibilities values of x? What are the possibilities values of x I need to apply to become this modulus function will be less than 7. This I need to find. So I am going to enter inside the sum. Modulus of 3 minus x is less than 7. Solution. I will write once again. Modulus of 3 minus x is less than 7. This modulus, if I am going to put modulus, the modulus nothing but I can get two values, nothing but plus x and minus x. For modulus of x, I will get two values, one is plus x and another is minus x. So if I go once, if I move the modulus, I am getting plus x and minus x. The same procedure I can use here also. I am bringing the modulus, so I need to put plus or minus 3 minus x is less than 7. That is plus x minus x, nothing but plus or minus. So plus or minus 3 minus x less than 7. From this I am going to separate the values here. How am I going to separate? Somewhat draw bigger, so it is very easy to see. Plus 3 minus x, plus 3 minus 6 less than 7, minus 3 minus 6 is less than 7, plus 3 minus 6 less than 7, minus 3 minus 6 less than 7. For this minus I need to put bracket. So the plus we don't need to put because the plus is multiplied with any sign is going to be same. So 3 minus 6 is less than 7. This plus 3 moves this side becomes minus 3. Minus 6 less than 7 minus 3. Minus 6 less than 7 minus 3. Minus 6 less than 7 minus 3 is 4. Always the value of x is nothing but coefficient of x value should be 1. But here minus. So in order to avoid minus, I need to multiply minus on both the sides. Multiply by minus on both sides. If I am going to multiply by minus on both sides, this minus will become plus. This plus will become minus. This minus will become plus, and this plus will become minus. The inequality will change. Therefore, x is greater than minus 4. X is greater than minus 4. Now I am going to put this one. How I multiply minus inside? Minus 3. Multiply minus inside. Minus into minus plus x is less than 7. This minus 3 move this side becomes x is less than 7. This minus 3 move this side becomes plus 3. X is less than 7 plus 3 is nothing but 10. Therefore, for what values I can use? The x values can be greater than -4, less than 10. Greater than -4. If how I can put -4 less than x less than 10. This is the solution. This is the solution. How I need to read? Always we can read by -4 less than x less than 10. This is not a proper way to read. This inequality we should not read like this. Instead we have studied -4 less than x less than. This is not a proper way. How we need to read? X value is greater than -4. X value is greater than -4 less than 10. This is a proper pronunciation of inequality. X value is greater than -4 less than 10. This is the proper value. Otherwise we can write another value. But what is the interval called? Open interval -4 comma 10. This is also correct answer. -4 comma 10. If you want to check, you can put in number line and you can check. See here, this is -infinity, this is +infinity. First -4 value and 10 value. This is -4, this is 10. What is given here? See, greater than -4. This side is less than -4. This side -4 compared to -4, -3 is greater. So this value. Next, see here, goes on. Next, x is less than 10. X is less than this side. So we can take -4 to 10. As this is not equal to symbol, it has old. It's not equal to symbol, it has old. That's all. This, if you want, you can sketch like this also, no problem. This is the required answer for this sum. Thank you.